Okay, so this is the CribMD experience on mobile. So to join CribMD on mobile, you can just head to the App Store or Play Store depending on your device and look for CribMD. Yeah, and will be the first result. When you're finished downloading, you can open it up and then you're taken to this landing page. So if you're a new user, then you can go ahead to get started. You either sign in as a doctor or sign up as a doctor or as a patient. So in this case, I'm not trying to sign up. I already have an account. So I'll click on the login button, put my login details, and then continue. Yep, and you're instantly taken to the app. So the experience on the app is even more fluid because it takes you straight to what you want to achieve without having to go through a lot of um, pages or screens. So you can choose video call to book an appointment for video call, or you can choose home visit if you want the doctor to visit you. And then there's urgent consultation. You can check your prescription as well. You can check your subscription and then view the list of doctors you've consulted in the past. So to book an appointment, you can click on this button and then choose any doctor of your choice and then book an appointment. So when you choose a doctor, you have the opportunity to see their info. You can see their education, their work experience, their specialization, or the type of service they offer. And you can see their schedule as well to determine if they have a schedule that actually suits your need. So you can check Sundays to see if they have an available time that suits or that is okay for you. And you can check reviews by other patients to see whether they've gotten good reviews in the past. So you can select the doctor and then type here the symptoms you're experiencing. And then you can choose the preferred date and the preferred time as well. And then you go ahead and book an appointment. So the experience is the same and even better on the mobile because you just go straight to the point and then take the action you want to, and then so you can see upcoming appointments here. Here I have like one coming up tomorrow. Then I can tap this and decide to join the call or cancel the appointment if I no longer want the appointment to hold. So I also have the ability to chat with doctors on the mobile. So this is a conversation with previous doctors. You can tap here to make conversations, have a chat with the doctors, but you can only have chats with doctors you've consulted before. So if you've not had consultation with the doctor, then you will not be able to chat them up. So to initiate a chat, then you go to the doctors, you find a list of doctors you've consulted before. So you can book the doctor again, you can see the doctor's details, or you can initiate a chat with the doctor. So if you go to your account details, if you check the menu on the bottom, you'll be able to see your information, your basic information, your health info, your blood group, your phone number, genotype, date of birth. You can see more information about you like allergies, disabilities, and a bio if you've included one. So you can check your subscription if it's still active. You can check your favorite doctors. You can check pending reviews, your referrals, and you can also initiate a contact. You can create a ticket for our support to reach out to you, or maybe you can chat with a support personnel through here, and then you can view our privacy policy and so on and so forth. So you can do some other things like edit your personal information. You can edit your health information, your address. You can change your password. You can view our FAQ and the rest of them. You can also enable or disable push notification here. So, but it's advised to leave push notification on because when you have appointments, you're going to receive push notification telling you that you have some upcoming events. So that's just it. You can see previous notification and health tips here if you have any. So that's just it. I hope you find it. So you have the same experience on both Android and iOS. So the experience is the same on both platforms. It's exactly the same with no difference. So that's just it. I hope you find this interesting and you love our app.